Hello friend, welcome to you in official YouTube channel of Prashant Ilmami. Today we are going to discuss the one example of spring, which is the most important topic for third year diploma in mechanical engineering student. Here these are the problem statement. Let us start for solving this problem. A closed helical spring is made of 10 mm diameter of steel wire. Okay, means diameter of steel wire means small d is 10 mm. Then after that, spring consists of 10 complete turn, means small n is equal to 10, number of turn is nothing but small n, with mean diameter 120 mm, means capital D is nothing but mean diameter of spring, that is 120 mm. The spring carry axial pull of 200 Newton, means load is nothing but 200 Newton. Okay, determine the shear stress induced in a spring, means tau is equal to what, which is to be calculated. Neglect effect of stress concentration. This is the most important, stress concentration neglect. Determine the deflection in a spring, means delta is equal to what, its stiffness and strain energy stored by it. Stiffness means s, s is equal to what, and strain energy stored by it means capital U is equal to what. If modulus of rigidity of spring material is 60 Newton per mm square, means value of capital G is nothing but modulus of rigidity, okay, which is to be given 60 kilonewton per mm square. We have to convert into 6 Newton per mm square by simply multiplying by 10 raised to 3, which is to be converted into Newton per mm square. Now, first we calculate shear stress. We know that the formula of shear stress, tau is equal to 8 WD upon pi d cube. Okay. Here, we, if neglect curvature effect, then multiply by Ks. Consider curvature effect, then multiply by K. Ks is nothing but wall shear stress factor, and K is nothing but Wall's factor of a spring. But in a problem statement, simply neglect the effect of stress concentration, means we do not consider the Ks as well as K. So the formula becomes 8 WD upon pi d cube. So we put the value of W, capital D and small d. Now 8 into value of W is 200, then capital D is nothing but 120 upon pi into value of small d is 10, 10 cube. Okay, 10 cube. Then whenever we calculate it by using calci, then its answer becomes 61.115 Newton per mm square. This is the value of shear stress. Okay, then after that we calculated deflection. We know that the formula of deflection, delta is equal to 8 WDQN upon GD raised to 4. Okay, now put the value of WDN upon small g. Okay, 8 into value of W is 200, value of capital D is 120 cube, value of small n is 10 divided by G into D, value of G is 60 into 10 raised to 3, value of small d is 10. Okay, then your answer becomes, by calculating this term, your answer becomes 46.08 mm. Now third important term, our second term is delta is to be calculated, which is 46.08. Then Third term is stiffness. Yes, stiffness. Yes is the load per unit deflection. Okay, the value of load is 200 Newton. Delta is, which is to be calculated here, 46.08. By calculating this term, your answer becomes 4.3402 Newton per mm. Then our fourth term is, S is to be calculated here, 4.3402, and fourth term is strain energy. U, its formula is 1/2 load into deflections. Okay, then we simply put the value of W and delta, then your answer becomes 1/2 into W, value of W is 200, then delta here is to be calculated 46.08. By calculating these terms, your answer becomes 4608 Newton mm. Hope you understand the problem of helical compression spring. Thank you very much.